Hi, good morning, traders. You're welcome to my channel. So, I'm about to drop this new strategy that I've been working on for months now. Okay, after backtesting it for over 100 times and tested the live market, I'm pleased. I feel comfortable to release this strategy for every other person out there to make use of. Okay, so I'll quickly show you guys the settings and how to make use of this strategy, right? How to make use of this strategy, how to equally make money, how to really make money from this strategy, extract good profit, consistent profit with this strategy. Okay, so if you're new on this channel, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, drop some sweet comments here, share this video with friends, and don't forget to join the free Telegram channel. Yeah, it's very important because every week we do give access to one or two persons to join the VIP channel for free. Give them access for lifetime access. We give them lifetime access to the VIP room. So you might be a winner the next time. You might be among the next people that will join the the VIP room next time we are doing that. Okay, so we do it like every week. I'm not joking. So I'll encourage you guys to join the platform and see the updates, follow up on the signals and everything. And another thing I want to tell you guys is if you are new in this business, you just come into this market without having the right knowledge how to trade the financial market, how to analyze the market, trust me, you will lose so much money. I'm not saying this because I want you to go and send money to me. I'm saying this because I'm saying this from my own bitter experience. Like, I've experienced a whole lot of stuff here. Do you understand? So I'm trying to talk to you guys to understand it's not about the money. Okay, the thing is that you might feel you make money because that is what we see when we the first time we hear or know something about trading. We always feel like it's that easy, it's that simple, because you have your app here. You just need to either buy or sell and you make money, right? But trust me, you lose so much money that you will regret. You might end up losing, stop trading at all. Okay, end up stop trading completely and lose the opportunity of becoming successful in life. I'm not saying there are no other stuff to do and be successful, but trading can change your life in just a night, one single night. But then you need to have the knowledge. You must know what you're doing first before, right? So yeah. So you need to learn price action. You need to learn price action. I know indicators helps, but you cannot compare price action to indicator because price action tells you exactly what market's gonna do tomorrow, next tomorrow, but indicator cannot tell you. So price action tells you the future, like you get ready, you get prepared for the future, right? For what's gonna happen. So I'll advise every one of you to learn price action. So this strategy here is for boom and crash. Remember, you only use it to trade boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, crash 500. Okay, you don't trade crash 300 or crash, boom 300. Okay, now you use zoom level 2. This is 1 and this is 2, or you can use 3. It's still okay. It's still okay. If you use 3, it's still fine, perfectly okay. All right, so use 2 or 3, it's fine depending on how you see it. I might decide to keep these 3 like this and I'll be able to see everything very well, very boldly. Okay, so hey, people love coming to me. They like coming to me to ask me the zoom level. This is not something we should be asking. Most of my videos I drop zoom level and it's always zoom level 2. But apart from that, if you need to be very smart, you need to be very, very smart. All right. Like in this trading, when I mentor some people, there are some people I mentor in just 1 week. You see, like, they see the improvement. They start making consistent profit. Like, they start making profits already in just 1 week. Like, you'll be so shocked that, wow, I just thought this guy feels stuff, because my academy, once you join my academy, I send videos to you. Their past classes, recordings, and all. I send videos and PDFs to you to start learning. Then we come online, I come online and teach you everything you need to know about trading. I make it very simple, not to complicate things to make you feel like I'm a pro here, but try to make it very simple so that you be able to know what to do in a very short period of time. You don't have to start staying and be training for be practicing for years before you start making profits, right? So you see some people start doing great stuff, you see improvements immediately, but some people still be here. You need to teach them for like 1 month before. Do you understand? So now it's because of some people are really flexible, very smart, and believe that this is something they can do. But some people feels it's a rocket science, right? It's a science that is hard to get combined, so it's hard to know. All right. So now when you come to you're watching a video like this, and you see me dropping my candlesticks like this, the size of my candlestick, you should know, okay, you can tweak your MT5 till you get this kind of candlesticks, this size of candlestick. That's simple. You must not know if this zoom number 1 or zoom level 2 or zoom level 3. You're just seeing the candlesticks, right? If it's this size, you know the size, you go to your MT5 and get the same size. Do you understand? So that's how it is. So here we are using zoom level 2 or 3 I'm using it to make this video, right? Now we catch only spikes with this strategy. We don't scalp this strategy. Though I'm working on scalping, if it does not give me good results, we don't use it. Okay, so we catch spikes with this strategy. Okay, we only catch spikes with this strategy. All right, so the video will be long, so let me just jump in and tell you guys the settings and how to make use of this strategy. Before I tell you guys the settings, I'll tell you how to make use of this strategy. Listen very well before you start using this strategy, and make sure you practice it on your demo accounts over time to understand how it really works, right? Before going real with this strategy. Now, the first thing you need to note, when markets get to the overbought level, this is the overbought level for crash. This crash 500, you can see market around this zone here, okay? So once market touches this line, right, you'll be looking to sell. Once that level is touched, all right, you'll be looking to sell. Once market touches that line, you'll be looking to sell. Just like, especially this is a very clear example here. All right, you see market at the overbought level, which is the 90 level. All right, you see the next thing will happen. There was a spike, massive spike. Same thing here on the indicator window too. We have price at the overbought level, and there's a spike, market started dropping. So you need to confirm the two windows. The first window is the window where you have these two indicators here, and you see market at this overbought level, which is the level 90. Then for boom, it should be around this level 10. Then you buy. Once market touches this level 10, and you also confirm again on the indicator window 2 that market has touched this line. All right, this line, you're buying. This indicator here just touch this line, you're buying, right? Yeah. So that's it. And we check, see the same thing here, same thing right here. You must wait patiently. One good thing about this strategy, it filters that fake spikes, those levels where we have fake spikes. All right, so you must always wait for it. You don't have so many setups with this strategy. That's a good thing, because it filters the noise, the fake moves in the market. All right, the same thing here, the same thing right here. All right, that is for crash. Once market get to that point, you're selling for crash. You're selling and you make your money for crash. Market gets to the overbought level, the 90 level. And here, market should touch the 80 level. This indicator must touch the 80 level, and you sell. All right. Then for boom 1000, you can see what just happened now. You can see the spike right there. All right. Market just touched the 90 level, and there was a spike. All right. The same thing, we have this indicator here on the indicator window 2 on at level 20 for boom, level 20, and it spikes. Let's back test and see if that's been spiking. The same thing here, right here. Okay, we have another one here. We have another one right here. We have another one right here. Guys, this strategy is crazy. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. This strategy gonna change your life. This strategy gonna change your life. So you need to practice this strategy, share it with your friends, okay, for them to watch and learn, right? My VIP are making so much money. My VIP, okay, this when I was back testing, my VIP are making so much money with this, with my signals. We provide high probability signals, okay, and our academy, we actually there's a promo running right now. Just $60 to learn price action from me. I'll be there. I'll be there to teach you price action. Just $60, and the $60 you're paying comes with my lifetime VIP signals. Once you join for life. You're not nobody's kicking you out for life for as long as I'm doing this business. All right. So people are really making good profits. Like yesterday, we dropped 3 signals and we made profit from the whole 3 signals. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. All right. So each time market touches this level, you're buying, you make your money. So yeah, and the signal platform is also, there's a promo going on right now. All right, there's a promo going on right now. There's a promo going on right now. If you join the platform, you make it's just $30, just $30 for a lifetime VIP signals. I'm not joking here. Just $30, guys. I want to help everybody right here. I want to make sure that, because I know what I passed through when I started trading, I want everybody to benefit from this too. All right, so the settings for this strategy. The settings for this strategy. Oh, this video will be so long. This video will be so long. I don't know what to do. Should I drop the settings in the next video? I don't like long videos, right? It's all good. Let me drop the settings here. So just screenshots, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 indicators on this that makes up this strategy, right? The first indicator you're bringing in is this one here, relative strength index. Okay, you click on it. The period is 14, applied to typical price. The levels here we have 90 and we have 10. Forget about the 0 and 0 you're seeing. We have 80, we have 90 and 10, right? You click on done. You can choose any color of your choice and you click on done. That's the indicator we have here. This blue indicator and this window. All right. Then you go back again. You're bringing in this one here, community channel index, CCI. The period is 85, so it will be delayed. Applied to typical price. Okay. Then the levels here we have minus 100 and 100. The level does not really matter though. Then the color here, you choose any color of your choice. You click on done. That's the entire indicators we have here. Then under this other indicator, you go back again, indicator window 1. You're adding this one first, the RSI. The period is not important because the indicator is not shown, is not seen on the charts. Okay, so apply to typical price. Levels here we have 80, we have 90, we have 10, and we have 20. Okay, and you choose white if you're using white background because you don't want it to be seen on the chart, right? You click on white. If you're using black, you make sure you use black so that we don't see it on the chart. You click on done. Okay, then you go back again. You're adding this Ichimoku as the last indicator. Okay, so we have Tenkan Sen 6, Kinjun Sen is 6, Senkun Span B is 52, and you click and fill this place. Okay, the colors you can see just the way it is. It's only the last up Kumu and down Kumu that has colors, right? All right, you put any color at all where you get to up Kumu here and down Kumu. All right, so these other ones are the same color with your background, MT5 background. If you're using white, you make it be white so that we don't see it on the chart. If you're using black, make it black. All right, so you click on done. Simple. Remember, for boom, you must wait for price to get to the oversold level, which is the level 20. Touch the level 20. The Chimoku must touch level 20. Then you look up again. Make sure that this CCI and RSI, they are at level 90 and you're buying. Trust me, once you buy, it's not gonna delay. It's not gonna delay because I know the settings I'm using, right? And I've been, backtesting the strategy and facing the live market, which is right for over 100 times. Okay, so guys, that'll be all. Make sure that you smash that like button, drop some good comments, share this video, and subscribe to this channel, and make sure that you learn price action. You can learn price action from us, but you don't feel comfortable learning from us, you can learn from anybody, but make sure that you learn price action. All right, so that'll be all for now. This video is way too long. I love you guys.